The dependency of the human race on fossil fuels spans from the daily usage in vehicles to electricity generation. This dependence on a diminishing resource needs to be addressed quickly. And the question is, how do we meet increasing energy demand as oil production decreases?
Geothermal energy, clean and sustainable, is an option to help meet the increasing energy demand.
Rigid Ideas has come up with an innovative system which utilizes geothermal fluids in depleting oils to produce electricity for hydrogen production. As a case study, let's take a look at the Magnus platform in the North Sea.
In 2010, 6.7 million meters cubed of water was recovered with oil on the Magnus platform. However, as oil production decreases, we expect the amount of water to rise to 15.5 million meters cubed. This increase in water production is beneficial to our system. This is our idea.
Hot water at 95 degrees C from depleting oil wells is used to evaporate ammonia in the boiler. This high pressure and superheated ammonia vapor runs the turbine and generates 10.7 megawatts of electricity, which is used to produce hydrogen. The ammonia vapor is cooled down with cold sea water. The liquid ammonia is then pumped back to the boiler and the cycle continues. The hot water is pumped back to maintain the pressure in the oil wells.
The 10 megawatts of electricity generated by our geotech system will be used to produce 4,300 kilograms of hydrogen per day by electrolysis. 13,000 kilograms of oxygen is also produced, and these gases will be transferred immediately into a tanker.
Hydrogen is explosive. However, compared to the natural gas which is currently being handled on the platforms, it is lighter.
When released, it rises and disperses quickly and is unlikely to cause asphyxiation.
We are in a fight against global warming.
Hydrogen is a green fuel and it burns to produce water.
The method we've used to produce hydrogen is clean.
The UK government is currently focusing on geothermal energy by funding and by providing attractive incentives, for example, low taxation and green technology.
Over 100,000 people are employed in the North Sea oil industry. By implementing our system, people will not lose their jobs. Thus, the local economic system is sustained.
We require a capital of £58 million with an annual operating cost of £5 million. The total revenue generated on the Magnus platform in 2020 from hydrogen sales, oil sales, and the interest gained from deferring decommissioning will be £91.2 million. In 2050, a minimum amount of £36.2 million will be generated.
Rigid Ideas is looking at the future. Not only have we started to improve our geotech system, we have also started to educate the future generation on renewable energy.
Whether we produce hydrogen or electricity as our final product, this system will extend the useful life of the oil platforms.
Time is running out.
We need to act quick.